Hey guys, what's up? Alright, we in prep mode for NFP. I say NFP, FOMC. So, alright, so we're looking at buying in two major areas. One area to look at sells. If the push does come, we're only looking to sell 46. There's also a node at 64, which is all-time highs on our rolling contract. We're looking for deviation nodes here, so we're looking at buying 2908 single stops, and then 2890, which is your logical move. So 2890 would be a stronger area if you're looking for buys. We'll monitor 2908. So we have like 12 minutes to go on that. So trade small, trade smart. Let's see what happened to oil after oil just died. Look, there was your 60. You would have to take a little while for that rotation to complete to the 60. Exactly hit 61, not 60. Yep, the low was 61. We were out at 81 on close. So that is my line on oil. Don't know why it is. So, alright, so we're focusing on the ES now. So we're looking at buying 2890. That's all for deviation level. I'm monitoring the 2809. 2889s, 2908s, 2946 and 64s. So we have monitor zone right at the 10 to 8, which you know is a reactive area. We have that labeled out, and value kick off 2900. If it does hold, we'll jump in the market at 08, so a little bit lower. Trade in singles of this. We trade into contracts here. You can see where the repair zone was required. We have no volume to the downside. Two separate nodes on the composite. This is last week's open, yesterday's push. Move that one, right? So we're using our composite on yesterday's trade. So remember, if you're in top step and you're not in the open market, how are we looking to trade that? You're not considering too much of what happened. Oops. What's up today? Profile. So we can either get a kick to the upside, we're looking to fade moves to either side, we don't pick a direction. Look to time the trade. Have your take profits at in reasonable areas. Singles you could go for 2 to 1 just to reward on your singles. So if you're buying 28.90, 60, you use a trail and stop. So I'm trading 2 contracts, save that of the 90. I'm looking for a single entry here if we do get the push to the downside. To the upside it's 46, there is a node at 64. Don't want to be in bound of our trade, as we don't want to be catching a fallen knife. We expect a reaction to be swift and heavy, especially for the meeting. So the meeting is not the meeting. Meeting will be over. The statement would come out. Passing words. We'll be doing. They will be passing words, and then the press conference for questions at 2:30. It is now 6 minutes out from the news, the release, which we expect no change at all on the rates. The forward looking is what we might be looking at. Well, but if you're in top step, you're not allowed to trade 1 minute before, 1 minute after the FOMC statement itself. Press conference, something is alright. So be patient. Had some long conversations about oil and how you close trades, how you manage trades, when you look to close, when you look to enter a trade. And no big stuff today on it. Took one good trade and several okay, that was good enough. So equity management, if I have a 7 point stop loss and I trade in 2 contracts at the 90, I would have approximately $700 at risk. One will be trailing, one will be firm on the buy side. Now I would put my positive register. We ran 2 contracts on the slash CL today, which is oil, so we're using that to fund this trade, so you can afford to be wrong today. Don't look at the immediate reaction. So You're gonna have a lot of guys moving in the market, so pull up your Delta. Because we have some and it's a little bit of contraction, so you can see bit of a gap there, very yes, gap in between two other blocks. So one like you might need a area to repair this area here on volume side. You can see the O8 node is low volume. Here's the immediate reaction. I can tell you what, no change is expected, which we expect that to remain right there. And that's buggy. Right, it is doom 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 doom. Right, it should be clear to start trading if you're trading on top step. It's a hullabaloo about installing a teacup, we just call it. Uh, let's see if we make some new highs. You can see a volume spike here. Probably shut down for the news conference, so you know what is the areas we're looking to buy and sell. Most likely 2:15. Probably my 2:10 past. My lecture shut down. So trade small, trade smart, guys. Alright. Need to complete something. So you have but you know, I have a buy order sitting right here at 8, one contract. And two sitting at 90s. One cell sitting at 46 and one cell sitting at 64s, and not adding, not minusing, rather not beating the market than getting the shit kicked out there. So that's about it for what we have plans for trading through that. I need to take care of some things with those guys and see what's going on. You guys, bye.